Hello everyone. Today, I have come to Foshan, WarrenWindows and Doors' new southern base. In the past 10 years of cooperation with WarrenWindows and Doors, whether it was the early northern base or the southern base, or the deep processing factory, we have visited all of their workshops and factories. Behind me, here in Foshan today, there is also about to be born the latest generation of smart factory by the Warren Group. It is the second production base in Foshan. The depth of this factory area is estimated to be over 400 meters, and the width should be around 150 meters. So it can be described as a large-scale window and door factory covering over 100 mu, approx 16 acres. Especially this building right in front of me. It looks magnificent and full of presence. Furthermore, I really like its color scheme and overall tone. It perfectly reflects the brand's positioning and premium feel. At present, most of the factory's construction has been completed. Of course, there are still a few parts undergoing final touches. So today, let's take a brief film and look around.